Okay, so it's day 1 of testing this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream, and as you can see I have this huge ass pimple on my face which just popped yesterday. So it's the right time to be applying this baby on my skin. I'm going to be applying it on this blemish and also on a few acne marks on the side of my face. Other than that, my face is pretty much clear. So let's get started. I'm going to take just a pea size amount of it and apply it directly on the areas where I have acne marks and blemishes. Okay, so I'm done with spot correction of this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes on my acne marks. I'm gonna see you tomorrow again and show you how much of a difference it has made on my acne marks. Again, I just want to mention that this is a fresh acne mark. This pimple just popped yesterday, and these are some old acne marks which I haven't really been taking care of, and that's why they are still visible on my skin. But now that I've started applying this Bye Bye Blemishes cream again, they're gonna vanish in no time. So I'm gonna show you a difference tomorrow on my fresh blemish and also on my old blemishes. Hey, so it's day 2 of me testing out Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes, and this is the current situation of my skin. As you can see, the new acne mark that I had has reduced to a little extent. It has lightened up a little bit, and the old acne marks that I haven't really faded away so much, like as much as the new one. So I'm gonna continue with the application of Bye Bye Blemishes again on these acne marks. So I'm done with the application of Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes on my new as well as my old acne marks. Now I'm gonna see you tomorrow, that is on day 3, and show you the difference that this has made on my skin. Okay, so it's day 3 of me using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes for my acne marks, and let me give you another close-up. So as you can see, the mark has almost vanished from my skin. All you see is the tiniest bit of redness, which is gonna go away in another 2 or 3 days. So this product is really effective in removing new acne marks very fast. And about the old ones, as you can see, they have lightened to a little extent, but they are gonna take a little more time to go away since they are older marks. So I'm gonna repeat with using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes on my acne marks until they go away completely. So Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes definitely does work in reducing your acne marks and any kind of other blemishes or uneven skin tone that you might have on your skin. I mainly use it only for my acne marks, and it does work wonders. It works very fast in reducing and just making those acne marks go away completely. But you have to be kind of consistent with using this product on your skin. You have to use it once every single day until your acne marks fade away or until they are gone completely, and it works very fast on new acne marks but a little slow on older marks. So that's the reason you have to be consistent with using this product on your face. Now the reason why this actually helps to target the acne marks, dark spots or any kind of other blemishes is because it contains mulberry extract, which is high in antioxidants. It contains daisy flower extract, which again has a lot of skin benefits, but the main ingredient why it actually helps to reduce and fade away all of those blemishes is because it contains licorice extract, which is an amazing ingredient to lighten the pigmentation, to lighten any kind of uneven skin tone that you have on your skin. And it also contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten up your skin and helps to reduce UV induced pigmentation or pigmentation due to sun damage. So this is a great product to just even out your skin, and the best part is that it is free from harmful chemicals like parabens and mineral oil, and it contains a lot of natural ingredients, the ones which I mentioned, that is licorice extract, daisy flower extract, mulberry extract, vitamin C, etc. Then again, this product is really inexpensive for the kind of benefits that it has for your skin. It only retails for $4.49 for 30 grams of product, and then again, if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2020, then you can achieve a 20% off on Mamaearth's website. And apart from that, you can also shop this from Amazon and Nykaa. Also, Mamaearth is an Indian brand and they manufacture all of their products in India. Hashtag vocal for local, and all of their products are cruelty free and officially certified by PETA as cruelty free. So Mamaearth is an amazing Indian brand to try out, and Bye Bye Blemishes by Mamaearth is one product that I've been using for years now, and there is absolutely no stopping. This is one of the products that has actually helped me to even out my skin and to clear all of the acne marks that I've gotten like in so many years. So definitely check this product out, and if you have tried it, then do let me know in the comment section below how it works out for you. Also, if you want me to review any other products by Mamaearth or any other brand, then do let me know that as well in the comment section below. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that right away. Also follow me on Instagram. The direct link will be mentioned in the description box, so you can check that out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.